stay
You
still.
did it.
Oh, nice.
And I also bought him the coolest thing, and I hadn't known for it, but I had to buy it. It was $3. A soft thing that you make into a fort.
Oh, cool.
It's got like canvas and
Yeah.
Yay for
spongy
me,
things to
yay.
hold it up, and
That's cool.
it was $3.
Ready? Get set. Go. Yay! I'm standing. Yay! Time to sit down. Ready? Ready? Sit down. Yes. Okay. Ready? Get set.
Look at Kipnis's facial
Go.
hair. That's
Yay! I'm standing. Yay! Oh, 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 oh. Now he's sitting. Now he's sitting down. Ready to stand again? On 3, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yay for baby Aaron! Whoop. Whoop. Would like to sit down now? We'll try standing one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yay for baby Aaron! Yay! Yay! He's standing, Grandma. Time to sit. Ready? Time to sit. Oh. Oh.
Yay!
Ooh, what is that? What is that, Mama?
Hi.
Ah! Oh, ready?
Hi.
1, 2, 3. Stand! Yay for baby Aaron! Oh.
What's that face for?
I'm not sure what's happening.
Hi.
Yay!
Smile. Smile. That's not smiling.